Ever bought a garlic press that looked great online, only to find it hard sequence, messy to clean, or simple not worth the money? The good news is that there are some excellent options available, but not every model is the right fit for every. Still around until where we'll reveal our pick for best budget, blue, best premium, and best overhaul. We'll compare performance, value, and real customer feedback to help you make a more informed buying decision. Fresh garlic can completely transfer in, but preparing it should not feel like a workout. Whether you cook every day or just enjoy making dinner on weekend, a good garlic press can save time and keep your hands from smelling like garlic afterward. For the roundup, we look at customer rating, review volume, overall value, easy to use, cleaning convenience, build quality, and price. Instead of focusing only the most expensive model, we have included budget-friendly picks, premium choice, and several well-reviewed options that appear to deliver dependable everyday performance. As you are watching, let us know in the comments which garlic press you are currently using, or if you are shopping for your very first on. Now, let's begin with our first recommendation. Number 10. Here's budget-friendly alternative: Venti Garlic Press Rocker. Based on the available information, this garlic rocker is commonly available for around $7.99. It holds a 4-star rating across more than 13,000 customers, suggesting that many buyers appreciate its simple concept and affordable price. Unlike a traditional hinged garlic press, this model uses a rocking motion instead of sequencing two handles together. You press and rock the stainless steel plate over garlic cloves. Some home cooks find this design more comfortable, especially for shortened prep session. If you dislike complicated kitchen tool, this minimalist design may appeal to you. With fewer moving parts, there's less that can wear out over time, and cleaning and is generally straightforward. Key of fish rocking style, stainless steel design, while pressing surface, comfortable grip during rocking, dishwasher safe construction, compact profile for easy to storage. Feedback: many buyers reports that it's easy to clean compared with traditional press. Customers also appreciates its compact size and big friendly design. On the other hand, some reviews mention that the rocking technique takes a little practical and may not accept garlic as efficient and heavier duty proofs. Affordable price, easy to rise or place in the dishwasher, simple on piece construction. Cons: learning curve for first time users, may leave more garlic behind than some best for. My comment: I like that this design does something different instead of copy the traditional. It's not a strongest performer in every situation, but its simplicity will likely appeal to cooks who prefer easy clean over maximum press power. Of course, not everyone wants to work design. If you have rather stick with a classic sequence style press, our next recommendation may be better fit. Number 9. Many shoppers also consider the KitchenAid model typically sells for about $14.58 and has earned a 4.4-star average from more than 1,600 customers rating. While it has fewer reviews than some competitors, it comes from a brand many home cooks already recognize for everyday kitchen tools. Designed with traditional sequence handle, this press focuses on comfortable operation and every reliability. Its familiar layout makes it easy for most people to use without any learning curve. Key of feature: durable metal pressing chamber, ergonomic handle, traditional lever action design, compact size, dishwasher safe components. Many owners say it feels comfortable in the hand and work well for routine cooking tasks. Some buyers mention that cleaning the pressing chamber can require a little extra attention, particularly after pressing multiple cloves. Pros: comfortable handling design, easy to beginners to use, trusted kitchen brand. Cons: smaller reviewing story than several competitors, cleaning may take extra effort. KitchenAid has built a reputation around practical kitchen tools, and this garlic press seems to follow that same philosophy. It may not be flashy, but reliability is often exactly what everyday cooks want. Now let's move from a familiar household name to the product that gained attention, largely thought customer recommendation.
Number 8. Unfavorite among home cook. It sends you high effective garlic press with starts. Available for approximately $8.99, this model has received an impressive 4.6 star rating backed by more than 15,900 customer reviews. Those numbers suggest it become one of the stronger value choice in this category. This traditional stainless steel garlic press is designed to maximum crushing efficiency while remaining comfortable to sequence. The textured pressing chamber is intended to help extract more garlic with less effort. Stainless steel construction, started pressing chamber, ergonomic handle, dishwasher design, compact storage size. Many reviewers praise its value for this price, saying it feels sturdier than expected and performs well for everyday cooking. Some customers note that, like many traditional garlic press, cleaning the small holes still takes a bit of attention if garlic dress inside. Pros: excellent value for this price, strongest customer rating, comfortable sequence design. Cons: cleaning requires some care. Basic efficiency compared with premium models. Sometimes the best kitchen tools are not most expensive. They are simple, the one that work constantly every time. This model appears to fit that description, making it smart contender for value-focused shoppers. We have covered their very different option already, but things get every more interesting as we move into higher ranking featuring stronger reputations, premium materials, and even large customer following. Number 7. Don't overlook Alpha Griller's garlic paste stainless steel. If durability is high on a priority list, this model deserves a closer look. Based on the available information, it usually prices around $14.99 and holds a 4.4 star rating from more than 14,300 customer reviews. That combination of price and reviews story make it one of the most established choice in the mid-range category. The Alpha Griller's garlic press is built with a heavy-duty stainless steel body that's designed for everyday use. Its ergonomic handles aim to reduce the amount of focus needed every pressing garlic, making meal prepare a little easier. It also included a silicone garlic peeler, which many buyers find useful for reducing direct contact with garlic cloves. Heavy-duty stainless steel construction, ergonomic sequence handle, silicone garlic peelers included, dishwasher shape design, suitable for crushing multiple cloves. Many buyers report that the press feels sturdy and comfortable to hold. Customers frequently mention that it handles fresh garlic efficiently and cleaning up fairly well. Some reviewers, however, note that small fresh of garlic can remain inside the chamber and may require a cleaning tool or brush. Pros: durable stainless steel, comfortable grip during use, useful silicone peelers included. Cons: pressing chamber may require detailed cleaning, slightly heavier than some lightweight alternatives. What's standing out here is not one flashy feature, it's the overall package. Everything seems aimed to making regular cooking a little easier without pushing into premium pricing. Speaking for everyday convenience, our next recommendation appreciate garlic prep from a slightly different angle. Number 6. Add something different. Joseph Garlic Rocker Crush Mincer Press. This model is typically available from around $19.98. It has earned a 4.4 star rating across more than 5,200 customer reviews, suggesting that many users appreciate its unique design and easy to use. Rather than using traditional highest handle, this garlic cooker relies on a curved stainless steel surface that crushed garlic with a rocking motion. The ergonomic shape is intended to reduce handle strain while keeping the design simple and easy to use. Innovation rocking system, stainless steel construction, crushing surface, ergonomic curved shape, dishwasher shape, compact lightweight construction. Many customers say the rocker design feels comfortable and is easier to rinse cleaning than traditional presses. Others mention that it may require slightly more effort when working with large cloves or processing multiple price of garlic at once. Unique ergonomic design, quick cleanup, compact for storage. Cons: rocking motion may not suit everyone, less efficiency for large batch. I appreciate product that challenging the traditional design when they offer a genuine benefit. In this case, simplicity and convenience seem to be the biggest selling points. So far, we looked at practical everyday option. Now, let's step into the product that become one of the most recognization names in the category. Number 5. On one of today's strongest contenders, Arblu Garlic Press Stainless Steel. Based on the available information, this garlic press generally sells for about $15.99. It carries an impressive 4.5 star rating, backed by more than 22,600 customer reviews, making it one of the most widely reviewed products in today's lineup. The Arblu Garlic Press combines a traditional lever action design with stainless steel construction that intended to deliver dependable everyday performance. It focuses on comfortable operation, durability, and efficient garlic crushing without unnecessary complexity. Heavy-duty stainless steel body, ergonomic handle design, dishwasher construction, built for repeated everyday use, compact and durable design. Many by reports that it pours garlic effectively with relatively little effort. Owners also appreciate its sturdy feel and long-term durability. Some reviewers point out that, like many conventional garlic press, leftover garlic can collect inside the chamber and requires proper cleaning after use. Pros: excellent customer reputations, durable stainless steel construction, comfortable to operate. Cons: cleaning takes a little extra attention, not the least expensive mid-range option. This is the kind of kitchen tools that earns trust over time. The large number of positive reviews does not guarantee it is perfect for everyone, but it is certainly suggests that many buyers have been happy with its overall performance. We have now reached that halfway point of our countdown. The remaining pick included several standout models, from exceptional value choice to a premium option designed for serious home cook. You will not want to miss one coming next. Number 4. Another highly rated options, July Kitchen Premium Garlic Press Set. Based on the available information, the garlic press is typically priced at around $9.9 and has earned a strong 4.5 star rating from more than 25,000 customer reviews. That's an impressive amount of feedback for a product in this price range, making it one of the standout value contender on today's list. The July Kitchen Premium Garlic Press Set is designed for everyday cooking with an emphasis on comfort and convenience. Its sturdy metal construction is paired with ergonomic handle to help reduce hand fatigue, and the included accessories and extra value for shoppers looking for a compact set. Heavy-duty metal construction, ergonomic non-slip handle, including useful cleaning accessories, dishwasher shape design, built for everyday meal preparation. Many buyers report that the press feels solid in the hand and produce consistent results with minimal effort. Customer also appreciates the included cleaning tools, which can simplify maintenance. Some reviewers mention that cleaning is still necessary after each use to prevent garlic residue for drying inside of chamber. Pros: excellent overall value, helpful accessories included, comfortable ergonomic design. Cons: requires routine cleaning after use, finish may show cosmetics wear over time. Sometimes spending a little less does not mean giving up quality. This model seems to strike a nice balance between affordable and everyday usability, which explains why it has become so popular. Value is important, but some shoppers are willing to spend more if it means getting a tool that will last of 4 years. That's exactly where our next recommendation comes in. Number 3. Looking for premium quality. Lifetime replacement garlic press. This model generally sells for approximately $29.98 and has received 4.4 star rating from more than 6,600 customer reviews. While its price higher than many competitors, its position itself as a long-term kitchen investment. Built with durable stainless steel construction, this garlic press emphasizes strength and longevity. Built with durable stainless steel constructions, this garlic press emphasizes strength and longevity. Its heavier build is designed to provide more leverage during pressing, and the lifetime replacement promise may offer additional confidence for buyers who value long-term ownership. Heavy-duty stainless steel construction, ergonomic handle design, lifetime replacement support, dishwasher shape, designed for repeated daily use. Many owners say the press feels substantial and performance will with fresh garlic. Buyers often mention the reassuring replacement policy and as a valuable bonus. Some reviewers note that the heavier construction may not appeal to everyone, especially those looking for a lightweight kitchen tool. Pros: solid durable construction, lifetime replacement policy, comfortable leverage during pressing. Cons: cost more than many alternatives, slightly heavier than entry-level model. I always appreciate products that focus on long-term reliability instead of chasing the lowest price. For shoppers who prefer buying once instead of replacing tools repeatedly, this is certainly worth considering. We have looked at excellent value and durable construction. Now it is time for a product that's earned an outstanding reputation from an enormous number of satisfaction customers. Number 2. This next pick stand out because also good grade heavy duty garlic. Based on the available information, this model is commonly priced around $20.99 and boasts an impressive 4.7 star rating from more than 37,000 customer reviews. Those numbers place it among the highest rated and most extensively reviewed garlic press in this entire roundup. The OXO Good Grapes Heavy Duty Garlic Press is built for cooks who regularly use fresh garlic and want to dependable kitchen tools that feels comfortable during repeated use. Its well-known ergonomic handle design and intended to reduce hand strain while maintaining consistent pressing performance. Heavy-duty die-cast construction, large ergonomic soft grip handle, efficient garlic chambers, dishwasher shape, designed for frequently everyday use. Many were praised its sturdy construction, comfortable grips, and reliable performance over time. Customers frequently mention that it handles garlic with reliability little effort. Some reviewers point out that, like most traditional garlic press, the chamber still requires proper cleaning after each use. Pros: outstanding customer reputations, comfortable ergonomic handles, durable heavy-duty construction. Cons: more expensive than budget models. Cleaning the chamber still takes a little attention. This is one of those products that consistently appears on buyers' shortlist, and it's easy to understand why. The combinations of proven reliability, ergonomic design, and extensive customer feedback make it one of the strongest contenders in today's countdown. Only one product remains, and it is our premium pick. If you're curious whether paying significantly more actually delivered meaningful advantage, that's exactly what we'll explore next. Number 1, our final recommendation is Kun Ripon Epicurean Garlic Press. For cooks who want to premium kitchen tools, this model sits at the top of the today's counter. Based on the available information, it's typically priced around $64.98 and has earned an excellent 4.6 star rating from more than 4,400 customers reviews. While it's the most expensive options of our list, it is also one of the most established premium garlic press available. The Kunrikon Epicurean Garlic Press is designed with durability and efficiency in mind. Its robust construction is intended to provide excellent leverage, making it easier to press garlic with less effort. The large pressing chamber can also be convenient when preparing multiple cloves for recipes. Premium heavy-duty metal construction, ergonomic handle design for improved leverage, large capacity press chamber, dishwasher safe conveying cleanup, built for frequent long-term kitchen use. Many buyers report that this press will exceptionally solid and performance constantly over years of regular cooking. Customers often highlight the smooth sequence action and sturdy build quality. Some reviewers, however, mention that the higher price makes it difficult to justify if garlic is only on occasionally integrated in your kitchen. Pros: excellent build quality, comfortable and efficient to operate, designed for long-term durability. Cons: highest price into the comparison, more than many casual cook minute. Serious home cook, food enthusiasts, and anyone looking for a premium kitchen tool built for frequent use. If you cook with fresh garlic several times a cook and prefer investing a long-lasting kitchen equipment, this appear to be an excellent premium option. However, if your budget is limited or garlic is not regular part of your meals, one of the mid-range model may provide better overall value. Premium products are not always the right answer for everyone, but when they are backed by years of position customer feedback and durable construction, they deserve serious consideration. This model seems aimed to buyers who view kitchen tools as a long-term investment rather than disposable gadget. Now that we have looked at all the 10 products, let's compare them side by side and identify the standout of different types of shoppers. Remember, there's no single perfect garlic press for everyone. The right choice depends on your budget, cooking habits, and what matters most to your best budget. It's to high effective garlic press with standard. If your goal is to spend as little as possible while still getting dependable everyday performance, this is our best budget pick. It combines an affordable price, strong customer rating, and thousands of positive reviews, making it an excellent entry point for most home cooks. Why it is wins? Affordable price, strongest customer reputation, comfortable traditional design with everyday value, best value. Also, Good Crepes Heavy Duty Garlic Press. Our best value award goes to OXO because it strikes one of the best balance between price, comfortable durability, and customer satisfaction. While it is not the cheapest option, the combinations of ergonomic design and outstanding customer feedback make it is a smart investment for many households. Why it is win? Excellent build quality, outstanding customer rating, comfortable to use, competitive price for its performance, best premium. Kunrikon Impicurium Garlic Press. For shoppers who want to premium craftsmanship and don't mind paying more, this is the clear standout. Based on the available information, it's designed for years of frequent use and offer a high quality expensive for serious home cook. Why it is win? Premium construction, excellent leverage, built for long-term use, trusted by many experienced cooks. Best overall. Also, Good Crepes Heavy Duty Garlic Press. After comparing price, customer rating, review volume, usability, and overall value, the OXO Good Crepes Heavy Duty Garlic Press earned our best overall recommendation. It delivered in impressive combinations of durability, comfort, and proven customer satisfaction without reaching the premium price of the Kunrikon. For most kitchen, it appears to offer the best balance of performance and the value. That's right, our countdown of the 10 best garlic press available today. We hope this comparison helped you understand the strength and the trade-offs of each model so you can shop with confidence. If you found this guide helpful, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest product comparisons, kitchen gadgets reviews, and buying guides. We have also loved to hear for you in the comments which garlic press will you choose, or is there another favorite that deserves a spot on this list. If you had liked to learn more about any of today's product, you will find our affiliate link in the description below. Purchasing through those live may earn use a small commissions at no extra cost to you, and it helps support the channel so we can continue creating unbiased buying guide. If you had liked to learn more about any today products, you will find our affiliate links in the description below. Purchasing through Those links may earn us a small commission at no extra cost to you, and it helps support the channel so we can continue creating unbasis buying guides like this on. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next review.